Hey guys! Welcome to Chuche. And gagawa tayo ng dalgona coffee. Kailangan natin ng hot water, ice cube, coffee, sugar, at fresh milk. Let's get started. First, kailangan natin ng 1 tablespoon of coffee. At sugar. At haluin natin ng 9 minutes. At ito na po yung nahalo natin. At ilalagay na natin siya sa baso. At lalagyan natin ng ice cube yung baso. Lalagyan natin ng fresh milk ang baso. These are finished product. And thanks for watching. If you like this video, thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you guys in the next video. Come on. Hey guys! Welcome to Chuche. And gagawa tayo ng dalgona coffee. At kailangan natin ng hot water, ice cube,
Dito tatang sa ingredients.
Iyo pa.
wait lang, 1.5 tablespoon of hot water.